Thanks for coming to KSHB.com and checking out the weather blog. Well, it's April Fool's Day. It's also March Statistics Day. As we look back at the month of March, it was a wild month, a mad month. The highest temperature was 87 on the 19th. The coldest temperature was 4 days prior to that. It was 19 degrees. And we were much warmer than average, about 4 degrees on average. Rainfall just slightly above average, which is good news. We need the rain. April is going to start out with some rain chances before it kind of dries out once again. So the storm we're looking at, and we'll talk about it here, is out in the southwest United States. On the day Saturday, near it's bringing rain to our west, clipping northwest Missouri, but overall dry and a lot of clouds here in Kansas City, although we might see a little bit of sun with the rain up there in northeast Kansas, Hiawatha to Maryville, north and west. Here is the storm system we're tracking. It is south of Albuquerque, southwest of Albuquerque. It's going to track into northern Mexico tomorrow, then head northeast and get into southern Missouri by Monday. So that means we have several chances of rain in the next few days. Here's our latest powercast. So a lot of clouds around this afternoon, those few little showers in northwest Missouri. If you're headed out this evening, it'll generally be dry, although a sprinkle or two is possible. And we also may see a little sun this afternoon. Wouldn't hold my breath on that one, but there may be a little bit. And then as we go towards Saturday night and into Sunday morning, that's our best chance for rain and a few thunderstorms. The latest data has some pretty nice rain here. Sunday morning, no severe weather expected, and then through the day, the rain moves off, and then we'll try to clear. From Kansas City west, it'll be cloudy. To the south and east, it'll be partly cloudy, and so if it's in the clouds, it'll be in the 50s. Where it's sunny, or the sun pops out, it'll get into the 60s. Then that main storm comes out, and Sunday night and Monday morning, here we go, back to some rain showers, and during the morning, it really solidifies. We kind of get into the calm ahead, so some nice rain Monday morning, and then it moves out Monday afternoon. And then look at this. On Monday night, the next storm, producing some heavy snow in the Rockies. Now, we're not going to get any snow out of it, but some more rain and thunderstorms likely Tuesday night and Wednesday for us. A slight chance it's severe. How much rain are we expecting? Well, this is just one computer model, but this would be great news. Look at the rain out in Kansas. The winter wheat crop really needs it. And they've had a couple inches of rain out there already. Another couple of inches of rain is likely for us in the next 5 days when you add up both storms. Another good 1 to 2 inch rain, and some areas could see 2 to 3 inches if we get some good thunderstorms. So more really nice rainfall. Let's get it while we can get it. Or let's take it while we can get it, because overall the weather pattern looks dry, and the drier part of the pattern is going to come back. So for today, now to 6 p.m., mostly cloudy, 49 to 55, kind of depends on sunshine. 6 p.m. to midnight, a few sprinkles, temperatures kind of holding around 50, and then midnight to 7, rain and thunderstorms likely, temperatures falling into the 40s. And on the 7-day forecast, we have a high tomorrow of 62. Again, that may be in sun areas where it's cloudy, it'll stay in the 50s. Monday in the 60s of that rain, it may see a little sun by the end of the day. And then Tuesday, there's another good chance of rain and thunderstorms Tuesday night into Wednesday. And look at towards the end of the week, shots of cold weather. Temperatures back into the 30s. And let's kind of look into April. So we're going to go for below average rainfall. Now, we averaged 3.73 inches of rain in the month of April. We could get close to 3 inches, 2 to 3 inches in the next 5 days. But then after that, it dries out. So overall, we're going to go below average. There will be some locations that could see average to above average rainfall. Really depends on the next 5 days or so. And overall, we're going to have above average temperatures, but despite that, we have a chance for a freeze between the 17th. Let's do that again. Between the 10th and 17th, there's the chance of a freeze. And then right after that, a huge warm-up for the last 2 weeks of the month, and that's what I think is going to take us to above average. We may be below average temperatures by April 17th, but then by the time the month is over, it'll end up being above average, because of a huge warm-up. Would not shock me if we got close to 90 in the second half of this month for a day or two. And then also a severe weather outbreak, too, in the last week of the month. We'll have to keep a close eye on that. So that's the way it looks. Have a great weekend.